Hey everyone, welcome back again. So in this lecture, I'm going to explain why and how we should use ChatGPT or any of the OpenAI products. So let's start with the why. Why should we use it? So folks, the answer is really self-explanatory. You should really use AI if you like it. If not, see other people using AI and replacing you in your job or in your work, whatever. And now, because it may sound a little harsh or a little straightforward, but folks, the fact it is what it is. And if you see some of the early investors of OpenAI, this guy's name is Vinod Khosla. He was one of the first investors in OpenAI back in the time when they were founding in 2015, 16, somewhere like that. And he said that you should not be afraid of AI, but you should be afraid of the people who are using AI because they are the ones who are going to replace you. So you better keep an eye on them and not AI as of now for at least a few years when we have this AGI, and I'll also explain what AGI and all the types of AI are in the course that are about to come. So, this is the OpenAI website. It's quite intuitive, quite easy. It's openai.com. You all know that by now, most of you at least. If you go to try to ChatGPT, it will put you in a page like this. I have already logged in, as you can see here, and I am using the plus version of GPT. So basically means I have access to everything that ChatGPT has to offer. If you guys want to try it, you can try it at least for a month. It is worth $20. I would tell you that. I can guarantee you that. Listen to your teacher, and I promise you, you'll not have a problem with that. So we are going to use all these tools, GPT-4, Dolly, all of that. You can use API. I'm going to show you some API tricks at the end, and then you have ChatGPT. And the moment you click here, you'll be sent to this page, and this is how you do it. So this is an easy page. You can go with the dark version, light version. For example, you have the theme. You can go with the light version if you want to, and you can go with the dark version. I'm gonna go with the dark version, folks, because I'm recording a course and it's really easy for my students to follow along when they are seeing me in a dark version because it's easy. Then you have the beta features where you will use plugins for ChatGPT. Then you have data control. You can where is it? You can actually uh, share your links. For example, if you're working on a chat and you want help from your employee or from your senior or anyone, you can just share them. We are going to see that later. Export the data and even delete your account. And this is where what happens is we can build GPTs for ourselves, which I'll also show you. So that was it, folks. This is the history of what I've searched all the way along. These are some really interesting things because these are some of the tools that ChatGPT has to offer. It's called My GPTs. We are going to build a GPT. GPT basically means it's an AI tool like ChatGPT, but for a specific purpose. For example, this cosmic dream that I was trying a few days ago, it's a beautiful one which we are going to play with, and it tells about this painting thing. You just type in something, and a painting or a digital art of that appears. Then you have Dolly, which is super famous now. Then you have the negotiator, which is another good tool. Then you have creating narrative coach that I've used a lot of times in the last 1 or 2 days, which is cool. So, folks, that is a really good explanation of how GPT works. By the way, we have plugins as well, which we are going to try. I have a bunch of plugins. So, folks, plugins is like Chrome extensions, but for ChatGPT. So, if GPT can do 1, 2, 3 things, with plugins, GPT can do from 1 to 10 to 100 things. That is what was there. And I'll end this lecture with this thing, folks. You will learn a lot. I can tell you that. So get ready to be amazed. And if you are going to follow me, what I'm doing, and then try it all yourself, I promise you, you'll learn 50 times faster than any of your mates or any of your peers. So do that, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.